Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do the album challenge on Instagram. It's really simple to do. So you're actually going to head over to your browser, whether it's Safari or Google Chrome. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to click on, but the website is called Bill Clinton Swag, and you're actually going to go on that website, and once you're on there you can click on the little squares and then search for an album. So I can just do something random, like just search 2020. Click on just random albums here, just for an example. So you just keep clicking on the squares, and then when it's highlighted blue, then you can search again, and then you can just click on that to fill it in. So click on until it's blue, and then just search for another album, just like this. And then once you're done, you just click on Generate Swag, and then it'll get rid of that little preview watermark that you see on there. And then once it's done, it'll generate it there for you. So now what you do at this point is you just screenshot it, then click on it, and then you could obviously just crop it down, just like this. Perfect. Then you click on Done, Save to Photos, and then you head back over to Instagram, and then you can just toss it on your story. Just like that. And that's how easy it is. I hope I helped you guys out. If I did, just leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.